looking like the morning star. But you guys, we are going house hunting officially today, me and my sister. But the way this girl is looking with these sunglasses, they'll go and bill us 2 times the money. Remove this thing when we get there. Before they will bill us. You guys see, I'm looking very simple. You see? Sweatpants and top. And period. Okay? Which one? Where is your face? Bring your face. So we are house hunting today. You guys look at my hair. My hair is so cute. My hair is so cute. That girl has always been a jealous person. We went to church. They preached about jealousy. She's still doing it, which is really sad.
They did not preach about jealousy.
They preached. They said he'd be a good person.
They did not.
Be a good-natured person like Joseph. Joseph was good-natured. This girl cannot hear from God. She's just big jealousy everywhere. It is why my sisters. It is why subscribe, like the video, yeah, so that you too you make heaven. If not, don't be shouting Joro when you see me in heaven, because the instruction was simple: subscribe. You miss heaven because of that, so don't do it. Guys, we're about to enter. Okay, guys, look at my hair. It's doing so well.
How many times?
It's thriving. It's doing well.
What is that junction?
Bro.
Normal this thing now.
Huh?
Come no. In 3 months, they move for young maison. You for never rent. They may rent, and that makes sense. So. Rookie on my album that shows 10 times your pay, 50K for a verse, no album out. Yeah, my money so tall that my baby's gotta climb it. Hotter than the instant ready, climb it. Mickey and the Donna when I sign it. Let me get this straight. Wait, I'm the rookie. Okay, we're here. We're almost here. $50K for a verse, no album out. I see Bom. I'm looking at your Bom patience. Is there no light?
No, she was trying to put on the lights.
Okay.
The meter is there's nothing.
Yeah, salad.
Is this the color or the room?
Okay. The room.
Kitchen enough? Honey, oh. What up, again?
There's a picture of lights. I'm not sure. No wardrobe.
No wardrobe here. Our bed cannot even enter. Even our bed cannot enter this room. Wow, this room is small. The whole, it will not even, it will. Guys, you've seen the first apartment, you guys. It's The sitting room is big. The main room is so tiny. My bed can't even fit in there. So except we turn the sitting room into the main room and then turn the bedroom into the sitting room. That's the only way. But let's go to option number 2. Ignore the generators, you guys. Can y'all even hear me? At this point, I'm squatting. I'm tired. I'm very tired. This is what the place looks like. That's the main entrance. That one. This one. That's the main entrance. Oh yeah. Then you go all the way. That's the apartment there. See that? Alright, hey guys, good morning. So my feet has been hurting since I went for that karaoke, because the karaoke just got wild, you guys. We started dancing like crazy, like it got so wild. I didn't even come back home. I had to sleep over at a friend's place because it was so late. Yeah, and the entire journey was just trips. Like guys, it was like the funniest thing ever. We got off the karaoke and then there were no vehicles to take us home. It was like midnight. There were no vehicles to take us home. It was midnight, you guys. Oh, we literally walked half of the journey until we saw a good Samaritan who took us home to my friend's place, because that was the closest. Yeah, and so yeah, but now my feet hurt. My feet hurt like crazy, you guys. My feet hurt like crazy. I can't walk properly because I'm not dancing like months. You get. But that's by the way. So I'm supposed to go and check another apartment. My sister has already checked out the place, but she's saying that she would like me to go and check out the place myself. She has videos, and so far the apartment is a lot better, except the fact that I think you can't really have it all here in Abuja or something, or when it comes to house hunts you can't really have it all, because right now, you guys, the problem we're having with our apartment, this current one, is that there's no ventilation in the kitchen. How can you not have ventilation? Oh, I can't stand people. How can there be no ventilation in the kitchen? Like, no windows. Like somebody wants to kill me on purpose. No windows in the freaking kitchen, you guys. But so far the rooms are large. It has 2 bathrooms, which we really appreciate, because I don't want people coming into the main room to use the shower. You get what I mean? So there's like a guest toilet and all that, which is really cool. The rooms are large enough and everything, and it's, oh my god, guys, that kitchen is a huge turn off right now. It's a huge red flag, but I don't know. We haven't seen another apartment yet. We might probably just end up taking that, and I don't know how to feel about it. Yeah, I don't really know how to feel about it because we can't even decide. But it's in the price range that we had in mind, so it's like still a given. But then the fact that the kitchen doesn't have ventilation. You have to open the corridor doors if you want to cook, so you don't die of heat. Do you get it? Me say I go be house, so it's still a madness. Me say I go be house, you understand? I go be house. I go be better house. Come to me this rubbish, you understand? What be this rubbish? What be this not one that be for this town? Like on the normal, what be this not one that be for this town, self? Nah, wow. I'll just do with the pictures. I don't think I want to go there. Like the sun is really coming off, and I don't think I want to go there. I mean. So this is the funny thing, right? My sister went to the apartment, she saw the place, and then another agent sent her a video of an apartment, and it was the same apartment. The same apartment was sent to her twice by 2 different agents, and she went to see it again for herself through another agent. So is that a sign? Well, I'll just let the Holy Spirit guide us, you guys. And another thing I don't like is the fact that we're going to be sharing electricity meter with another neighbor. I don't know how I feel about that, because you know how people can be. I don't want to be dragging people when it's time to buy lights. Like I don't want to be dragging people when it's time to load the meter or something for electricity, because right? But I'm just hoping that I don't get to do that. I just hope that the neighbor is reasonable enough so that, okay, light is out, it's your turn. Can you buy it? And all that we get. Hi guys, it's another day to house hunt in Abuja. So we're going to check out another apartment today. I just got out of bed, you guys. But yeah, let's do this. Good morning.
So you are going together?
Yes. I mean, sometimes it's going down. And it's snowing from my ear.
Alright, so we're waiting for the agent to come and take us to the apartment. We've been here like 5 minutes. So hopefully the guy shows up, takes us to the apartment. There's a lot going on here. A lot. Guys, the road to this place is not the sexiest. Not even gonna lie. It's a lot.
They will paint it. They have his own people, they have his own ball. See it, follow. See the room here. They will paint everything. Okay. Yeah. See, this up, get tank. See your tank here. You understand? You have two tanks. This one is the supply only you. That one is for